In this tutorial, we will show you how to transfer data from SchüCal to the IoF Manager. Please remember that you have to create an IoF account in advance. First, open the calculation software SchüCal. Select the SchüCal project to be transferred from the project list by clicking on it. At the top right under Manage, select IoF Export. The Export dialog opens in SchüCal. Select the elements and documents to be transferred. Then click on Export. Now you need to enter the login data into the IoF Manager. Enter your login data and confirm the entry. The data will now be exported successfully. Your SchüCal project can now be found in the IoF app and in the Web Manager under Buildings. Of course, you can add or change further data and documents at any time. You can now start the IoF ID linking process.